If this is my first floor plan in Revit, I may want to show the edge of my second floor because it only goes above this portion here. We can do this through the use of detail lines. If you go up to the top tabs, there's an area called Annotate, and this just creates lines. It's not creating a three-dimensional object, just a line to plot. When I go to this Annotate portion, you'll see this button here that says Detail Line. If I click on Detail Line, I all of a sudden am brought into a new screen where I can modify or place detail lines. Right now I am on just a regular line, which will work fine for this because we won't be able to see a detail line that covers other lines. We won't see that dashed line on top of that. So I'll stay with my line, click on this corner here, and the edge of the floor goes straight across. If I hit tab, I can get this to line up exactly with the edge of the wall. When I'm done, I need to hit escape, not, I mean enter, not escape. So again, hit enter, not escape. Now, I'm going to click my modify button here and click on this line. You see right now it's showing up as dashed. When I click on that, that's because it's in line style overhead. That is the symbol to show something that is overhead. If I wanted that to be something different, I could go to medium lines. You can see that just creates a medium line. Or if I wanted to do hidden line, it's in green in a different dashed line. I can click it again and I can go overhead because that's what you would want to use to portray a floor that is hanging overhead. Now, I have that in my drawing so I can reference it. This works perfectly for showing the floor above, but if I didn't know where the floor was above, or let's say that I was working on a ceiling plan and wanted to place lights over a floor plan, I needed to see where the edges of the rooms were, I'd want to be able to see that floor beneath or above. In order to do that, I would go on the left side here in my properties, scroll down, it says underlay none. If I click in none, I can scroll down and I could click on second floor and apply. When I do that, you see lightly grayed in lines here for some walls that are on the second floor. That could help me if I wanted to line things up. Say you wanted to line up plumbing walls. That can definitely be used. Then when you're done using it and you don't need it any longer, just click in underlay again, change it to none, and it already applied.